Hi, my name is Ravi. Today I am going to demonstrate misfire diagnosis with crankshaft position sensor signal. This is Indian-made Suzuki Maruti Alto 800 3-cylinder car. It has very intermittent misfire when it gets warmed up. Mainly misfire feel at idle and low RPM. So I hooked one channel on number 1 ignition trigger signal and need to sync it with the crank signal. But here in this car, bit hard to reach the crank sensor wire where located near crank pulley and drive belts. So I will get it from the ECM. Okay, here I backpropped a channel on a crank signal wire on the ECU like this. Let's look into the waveform. First and foremost, I should say something about the Amazing Etscope software which I am using here with the Hantex 6074 hardware. Etscope is inexplicable amazing with the automotive version and its analyzing functions. Here I am going to use the frequency math function recently introduced into the Etscope. Okay, let's analyze it now. The yellow trace is crank signal and the green trace is number 1 ignition coil trigger signal. Just sync two trace where to identify the cylinder location. Okay, then I am going to use a math channel. Here I put the frequency math on channel 1, which can show us frequency changes on the crankshaft velocity using crank position signal. Basically, you know crankshaft velocity change when it happen misfires. Look here, you can see clearly changes on frequency math channel. Here is a one misfire. And here is a one misfire. Again, here is a one misfire. Let's zoom in and closerly look where is the misfire occurred. Okay, I put the firing order grid between the ignition trigger signal here. Firing order is 1, 2, 3 on this specific engine. It's easy. You can see here number 1 fired and frequency go higher. And number 2 fire and frequency go higher. But look, number 3 misfired and frequency collapse. But next fire circles no misfires and no frequency collapse. But you can see it gets several fire circles to recover the crankshaft velocity. So let's check another location where the misfire is occurred to confirm that whether the misfire happened on same number 3 cylinder. Okay, here is another misfire location. Let's analyze it by putting firing order grids. Yes, same as before, at the number 3 cylinder power is missing. So it confirmed that number 3 cylinder has intermittent misfire. Look here, number 3 peak is missing. So after diagnosis of number 3 cylinder is intermittently misfired, I made a visual inspection of number 3 ignition coil and plug. I found that the ignition coil secondary terminal were located in the boot had been corroded and there was so much white stuff of oxide inside the boot. And the spring that located in the boot which get the connectivity with the plug had been corroded and broken. So, clean the boot and the terminal, replace a new spring, misfire gone. Easy diagnosis and fix. For this kind of advanced scoping diagnostic method, you don't need to look for very expensive scope and scope related tools. This amazing H-scope support for several cheap scope hardware. Here I am using Hentech 6074BE oscilloscope. Actually, it made more workable by the H-scope in automotive diagnostics. Try it and start scoping for automotive diagnostics. Thank you for watching and stay subscribed for more videos.